Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So it's very appropriate that I just got a fresh haircut because I'm presenting a refreshed formula of a very popular product from Malco, and it's their Epic CR2 ceramic spray. So this is the updated formula that is supposed to deliver higher gloss, better hydrophobic properties, twice the durability of the previous version, and more importantly, is even easier to apply. Of course, I'm going to give you all the tips and tricks on how to properly use this. I'm going to show a bunch of other products in the Malco lineup as well to properly prep the vehicle before we go ahead and apply this. I'm going to talk to you about the product, and of course, yes, you're going to see it in action. This was recently introduced to me, the previous version, by a friend of mine and also fellow YouTuber, Brian from Fab Automotive Detailing. So a shout out to Brian. So he introduced me because I saw on his video he used the initial version of the spray that they have, the silica spray sealant, and it was absolutely outstanding. What we found was that it has a higher sheeting capability than many other products. So a lot of people love water beading, but sheeting is also a property that many of you guys have been asking for, and this really delivers, as you're going to see in the video. And also, whereas normally all the silica spray sealants usually look great on darker colored vehicles, I found that this one also performs amazingly well on light colored cars, and today you're going to see this applied on a white vehicle, so that should be pretty awesome. So guys, you know the drill. Stay tuned. Without further ado, let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan, welcome to the show. I hope you guys are having a great day. Let's dig right into it, because today I'm presenting Malco's Epic CR2 ceramic spray. So as I said, this is the updated formulation. If I can show you the previous version, so this is what the original formula looked like, the Epic Ceramic Refresher. Essentially, this is a silica-based spray sealant, so it's meant to be used as a standalone product, or specifically in this case, as a topper for an existing ceramic coating, such as their own Malco Epic ceramic coating. By the way guys, don't worry, I'll leave the links to all the products in the description under the video for you guys to check them out like I always do, so just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Also, by the way, if you're new to the channel, welcome to the Pan the Organizer family, and consider clicking the subscribe button that's found under this video. That way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos, and of course you're going to learn more about car detailing, so products, equipment, tips, tricks, and techniques, and all that good stuff. So, what's up with their brand new CR2? What did they do to improve this? Well, many things. Malco, I wasn't aware of this brand because I'm from Canada, and this is an American brand, and well, lo and behold, they're available with 170 different distributors through 70 countries around the world. So again, I thank Brian from Fab Automotive Detailing YouTube channel for introducing me to the brand, because I was quite impressed. Now, what really caught my eye in his video when he tested the ceramic refresher, so the first formula, was how much this product was sheeting water. So of course, we know that many products have hydrophobic properties, which means water beading. So those tight water beads, a visual indicator that the paintwork is protected. But many products usually forget another very important property, which is water sheeting. So you want the water to sheet off the vehicle at a quick rate. That way it doesn't dry on the paintwork and doesn't create any stubborn water spotting problems. So that was cool. They updated the formula, which was already working quite well, to the CR2 ceramic spray. So let's have a close-up here at the label. This is part of the Epic group of products from Malco. Anything related to, of course, ceramic coatings. And this is the side view, the ceramic spray, SiO2 based formula. Very easy to apply. I think they stressed this enough. It's basically a spray on and buff off formula, and that's it. Only 4 hours of curing time. So after you're done applying your coat of the CR2, you wait 4 hours before exposing the vehicle to water, and that's it. You go out and you enjoy riding in the elements. One thing I noticed was how silky smooth the finish is with this. So my girlfriend has a 2014 Mazda CX-5, and we applied a ceramic coating roughly 2 years ago now. So, well, it needs to be rejuvenated. So every few months you add a topper. So a product like this, a silica-based spray sealant, and this maintains the properties of your coating and kind of refreshes it, hence the name Refresher. So this one here is the one from Malco, and it works quite well. And in today's demo, let's dig right into into it, you're gonna see just how simple it is to prepare. So what I did was to make it very simple. You guys can repeat these steps at home. I basically used just a garden hose, a few microfiber towels, a microfiber wash mitt, and that was pretty much it. So you don't need to have professional grade equipment to use professional products like these ones. First of all, I used the Epic Prep Wash, which is essentially a soap that's meant to remove any traffic film. So that's that oily residue or that film that you have on your vehicle. On light colored cars, it usually gives that yellowish to orange tinge on the vehicle. So those are all the oils from the surface that eventually tack on to the paintwork as you go. And normal soaps, well, they won't do that. So you either need a stripping soap, a decon soap, or something like this prep wash concentrate, which is said to remove all of that gunk. The dilution ratio, typically you will use 1 ounce of this to every gallon of water, and you're gonna see it really revives. In this case, the white paint came out super white, and basically this is just a preparation for the application of the protection product. So you wash the vehicle, you go ahead and rinse the soap, and then I used another one of their awesome products. So when you have a ceramic coating, every few months, there's a lot of accumulation of brake dust and industrial fallout on your vehicle. And you can see that especially on a white or light colored car. Those are the usually the rust specks that you'll see. And those are the contamination that's embedded in your clear coat. So you have to go ahead and remove that if you want to make sure your paint is in tip-top shape before you apply the protection. So in this case, Malco has their Iron Blaster. And when they say that this is one of the strongest formulas in the industry, well, they're not joking around. Let's have a close-up here at the label. It's a pH neutral formula, and it's a spray on and rinse off formula. Pretty simple. So essentially what you do on a wet paint after you washed and rinsed your vehicle, you can either leave it wet or dry it if you want, as you wish. I typically spray this on wet vehicles. Make sure you work in the shade or in a garage. You're gonna spray this product liberally on the paintwork and let it dwell for 3 to 4 minutes. Don't let it dry. And as you're gonna see in the clip, well, you're gonna get the transformation of color. It goes from transparent to this purple or reddish tint, indicating that the product is reacting with the iron particles and they're melting away, ready to be rinsed off. All right, guys, so it's been roughly 2 to 3 minutes since we applied the iron fallout remover, the Malco Iron Blaster. So you want to let it dwell for a few minutes. Always apply it on a cool surface, never let it dry. But as you can tell, it changes from a transparent color to purple when it reacts with iron particles and industrial fallout. So very important to do a thorough preparation of the paintwork before applying any paint protection products. And on ceramic coated vehicles like this one, I recommend using an iron remover at least 2 to 3 times a year. As you can tell, lots of brake dust, rail dust, industrial fallout. Again, most evident on the lower parts of the vehicle. Look at all this color change and contamination, even on the mirrors here, as you guys can tell. In the rear, this is typical. That's where you'll probably find the most contamination. Look at this, guys. So you get the visual cue that the product is doing its job, and you get all this bleeding, purple bleeding. Again here, lower parts of the vehicle. Hopefully you guys can tell all the rust spots. Those are the iron particles that have been embedded in the clear coat, and you have to remove those. So doing a great job, and now it's time to thoroughly rinse it off. After you're done properly rinsing the vehicle, after you used the Iron Blaster, it was a matter of just thoroughly rinsing it, of course, and then drying the paintwork. And after you've thoroughly dried your vehicle, well, it's pretty simple. You're gonna grab your Epic CR2 ceramic spray. And what you do, of course, you always want to shake your bottle properly to distribute and homogenize the product or the chemistry inside the bottle. And it's a matter of 1, 2, or 3 sprays maximum per panel. A little goes a long way. Of course, again, work in the shade or in a garage and on a cool surface for optimum results. So you're gonna take your microfiber towel, you're gonna work that into the paintwork, flip the towel over, and buff to a high shine, and that's it, guys. In a matter of minutes, you're done coating your entire vehicle with this, and the protection is set to last anywhere from 6 to 9 months if you use it as a standalone paint protectant. But what I recommend with these types of products is to apply a layer to rejuvenate your existing ceramic coating every 2 to 3 months, because we're on a detailing channel here at Pan the Organizer, and we want to make sure our cars are always glossy and the paintwork is in optimal conditions, because this also has UV protection built inside. So you get increase in gloss, you get the UV protection, you get the hydrophobic properties, which is water beading and water sheeting, and well, all the properties that you'll typically have from a ceramic coating, but in a lighter version, so in a spray format that's very quick to apply. And talking about water hydrophobic properties with water, let's go ahead and see after the 4 hours of curing time how this product performed on the vehicle. The surface is practically dry. So guys, I'm sure you were able to see Malco's Epic CR2 ceramic spray did the job quite well. Outstanding gloss. The application, again, I can't stress this enough, very, very easy. Makes light colored cars stand out just as much as the dark colored cars. You get that crazy water beading, a lot of water sheeting, very quick to run off the panel. And yeah, this is just a great product, inexpensive as well. If you want to check it out and the rest of the Malco lineup, I'll drop the links, as you guys know, in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. Once again, they're available on Amazon, but they're also available through 170 different distributors, and they're available in 70 different countries. I'll also drop the email link in the description if you need to have more information about who distributes these in your area. By the way, I want to give a big shout out to Lauren and all the team over at Malco. Thank you guys for sponsoring this video and making all of this possible. I'm sure my viewers will enjoy using the products, and I'm happy that I got introduced to this brand again by Brian from Fab Automotive Detailing. A big thumbs up to you, Brian. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, show me your support, smash the thumbs up button. Also, let me know, drop a comment in the comment section under the video. What's your current silica spray sealant if you maintain your ceramic coating? And well, are you willing to try this product? Have you tried Malco products in the past? If so, which ones? Drop a comment. I'm always curious to have my viewers' feedback. And well, of course, make sure that you also click the subscribe button that's found under this video. That way you'll subscribe to my channel and continue to learn more about car detailing, products, equipment, tips, tricks, and techniques. So guys, as I usually say, thanks for being there. Thanks for watching. And in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.